February 6th, 2010. Don't let the still call you when you in the blizzard. Anyway, I'm not cutting none of this. I got too much snow to shovel to be doing some marvelous video, but anyway, so y'all get an idea. This is Woodlawn County, call it what you want. Hold on. Little snow and wind, probably got a big old finger. Hold on, big one. There's my vehicle. You see, I got a path. This is supposed to go on till 10 p.m. Right now, we're looking at 11:25. So less than 12 more hours. You can't really see the contrast because I just shoveled, but now it's like straight up been covered by a dusting. But just so that you see the depth, this would be a good. The wall is like straight on some elaborate video. It's crazy right here. Yep, got the snow on the bill, shades in effect, because I'm telling you, the snow, the reflecting of what light is, whew, blind you. Glad I got these glasses. I'd be out here squinting my eyes. Got my words all tangled. But yeah, could be worse. I could be homeless. Feel sorry for the elderly that ain't got nobody to shovel their snow. But just to give you another perspective, check out the fire hydrants. That's where we at with it right now. That's the fire hydrant. Peeking out. You know what I mean? Winter Wonderland out here. People digging. Nobody else is though right now. The weatherman said you better get at it or you won't be getting. Anyway, folk, it's getting cold. I'm out of here.